Hello and welcome to the XQ channel, where we share with you the latest and greatest tax tips and business news. Today's video focuses on IRS penalties for late filings and payments, and how you can reduce them or have them waived altogether. These strategies can help you out if you accidentally missed a deadline, so make sure you stay tuned. First, let's cover why you may have been assessed a penalty by the IRS. Most commonly, you've missed an important filing or payment deadline. As a general rule, tax payments and filings are due on April 15th for individuals and C corporations. Other businesses typically have to file and pay on March 15th. You can request an extension to file from the IRS by filing Form 4868, which gives you until October 15th or September 15th to file depending on your original deadline. The mistake taxpayers make here is that they interpret the extension as applying to their tax payment as well. This is incorrect, as Form 4868 only grants an extension for filing your tax return. Payments will always be due on the original deadline. There are a few exceptions. The IRS is at liberty to grant automatic filing and payment extensions for victims of extenuating circumstances, such as natural disasters or war. If you are in Texas, you could qualify for relief like this if you live in one of the dozens of counties affected by the May Derecho or Hurricane Beryl. Be sure to check by watching our extension newsroom, where we list every county under the relief mandate. However, even if you fall under automatic IRS relief, you still need to pay close attention to the dates listed in the relief announcement. For example, you may reside in a county that's under the Hurricane Beryl disaster declaration and think that your June 17th estimated tax payment was extended until February 3rd. Unfortunately, this is not the case. IRS relief for Hurricane Beryl victims only counts from July 5th forward, meaning if you do not also fall under the May Derecho disaster declaration, then you should have paid your estimated tax balance by June 17th. What are the penalties that can be incurred by failing to file or pay your tax balance on time? There are two main penalties, the failure to file penalty and the failure to pay penalty. They both can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but the failure to file penalty is significantly harsher. The failure to pay penalty is 0.5% of your unpaid tax balance every month, while the failure to file penalty is 5%. Both are capped at 25% of your tax liability. If you owe thousands of dollars in taxes, these penalties can quickly add up. So how do you remove these penalties? The fastest and easiest option is calling the IRS and asking for a first-time abate. The key word here is first. If you've otherwise been in good tax standing with the IRS, they are likely to forgive your penalty if you ask for it, regardless of how substantial it is. This gets harder if you've incurred several penalties over the years. But it's not impossible to be granted penalty relief even if you've gotten in trouble with the IRS before. When you call them, you can claim reasonable cause, also known as giving your best excuse. The IRS is pretty strict about what it deems reasonable cause though, so simply saying that you forgot or didn't know about the deadline, or that you made a mistake while doing your taxes is not going to get you anywhere. Reasons the IRS is more likely to accept are death or serious illness, natural disasters, or an inability to access documents necessary for tax filing. Asking the IRS for penalty relief can be immense help if you are already feeling the pressure from filing or paying your taxes late. But before you give the IRS a call, it's best to go over your unique circumstances with a trusted tax professional. If you don't know anyone to trust, feel free to give XQ a call so we can help you. Check us out on our website for more details. Thanks for watching today's video about IRS penalty relief. We'd love to hear your opinion on this topic in the comments below. As always, we will appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content coming soon. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.